Hi everyone. Today we're going to go through the three main shapes of bacteria. We're just going to quickly list them and I'll include some examples for each. So let's get started. Our first example for bacteria shape is the cocci. And basically the cocci is spherical. And what it looks like is simply a couple spheres all around here. Sometimes they could be spread about and sometimes they could be clustered to one another. That's our first shape of a bacteria, and a common example that you'll see thrown around a lot is Streptococcus pyogenes, and that's always a good one to know, just in case. So that's our first shape. Our second shape is bacilli. Oops. And bacilli is different than cocci because they are actually rod-shaped. So rather than looking like a sphere, they're actually going to look something like this. They're a bit more curved on the edges. If you look at some pictures, they're a bit more curved like that. And a very common example, and one you probably have heard of before already, is E. coli. So that takes the shape of bacilli. And our third and final example of the three main shapes of bacteria is Spirilla. And Spirilla, as you could probably tell from the name, is spiral shaped. So as a 2D representation, it's going to look something like that. It's a bit more clear if you look at a 3D representation of it, but the main idea to understand is that it's spiral shaped. And the main example for that is T. pallidum. So these are the three main shapes of bacteria. I just wanted to list them all for you guys just in case you needed them. If you have any questions about them or anything else, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.